Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So you guys, we woke up to the very sad and unfortunate news that celebrity Sangoma and self-proclaimed witch Gogo Manzini has sadly passed away following a short illness. Now her husband and family of course released a statement confirming the passing of Gogo Manzini, stating that she passed away in her sleep last night on the 5th of June 2025. You guys, 5 months ago, Gogo Manzini flew to Turkey to um, get cosmetic surgery done on her body. She had to be specific about 7 cosmetic surgeries at the same time, you guys, and she documented, of course, her journey to Turkey on her YouTube channel. You guys, now this online article, which is written by the Sunday World, it details everything that Ugogo Manzini went through, the surgery, the cosmetic surgeries that she performed on herself. So I'm just going to go ahead and read this article, which is written a few months ago. The surgeries which Gogo Manzini had at the time included liposuction, job, rhinoplasty, nose, fox eyes, breast augmentation following skin bleaching, Brazilian butt lift known as BBL, and a stomach attack. Now, she also revealed that the whole process will cost her at about 310,000 rands, which included flights. The 31-year-old Mpumalanga born Sangoma said she has already embarked on a skin bleaching journey, which she began back in 2023. Back then, she told the Sunday World and said, I want to look like a porcelain doll. I want to perfect what needs perfection and adjust my body to my liking. Gogo Manzini highlighted that she is doing the procedures to help boost her confidence and to be able to wear any outfit without questioning her looks. No one can ever say they are 100% happy with their looks. Why not work on what God gave you? I have always wanted to do a BBL, so my expensive designer clothes can sit well on me. She said that she started working on her body by getting lip and face fillers, which have been amazing. I did the necessary research, choosing from the right doctors, the best clinics, and getting health checks, just preparing myself for the big day. So I'll be doing all the procedures in Turkey at the same time. So I heal in one go. The nose job, mid facelift, tummy tuck, and liposuction. I want to be snatched, she said at the time. According to Gugu Manzini, at the time, the stigma she wished to remove about plastic surgery amongst transgender people is that men go for tummy tucks, facelifts, and the works, but don't talk about it often. Many men hide when they have had surgeries, and it's time to normalize it amongst men and the LGBTQI community. There's no shame in seeking perfection, especially if you can afford it. Who says Sangomas should not look good? She said at the time. And unfortunately, today we woke up with the sad news that Ugogo Manzini has passed away after a short illness. A statement which was released by her husband. You guys, yo, may her soul just rest in peace.